Abusia, Yasamwa Kwab and Rason, good evening, Semna, Yet April and a pay will be Jam Jumati show and some of the toss, so there's a fantastic na Yana Mekasa, Ketewisi, and yet do Rebiania, Chinukufu de Basano. Na Oshe, Senior League out on the sea, Quadwa, final stretch, for pre, Sheson bit Magic League, no. More real so pesa more rate more pre episode more fro a costume to fee among ne leaks how do I cost any more now bet me at this go botoma oneexpert.com one more a catching a bit me this kind of side go bottom another chair okopie more war fast measure for so catch one more nice way and oil bar o share yeah man you mo fear nyina to so be agent nice so fast no omo di dware mo dem omo Fast mixture. Yes, I'm okay. I want to pay now. It is someone at the air war, and of course, Seti Mogel and Roland Pin Bequai, Seti Mogel and Roland. To the Biaba, sorry, that's what that console. As a quite cheer bina, Seti Mo, so, and my ma home few, a be out now. Yes, yet you must say, be Seti Mo, Gel and Roland, and sponsors and I pay, and Sergio Manocho, Panapanibo tree, producers. Kejuana Kasani Erica Siru Bodia Mwakwaba, Ibesha said for the EPL and LA Halang, Ebogo, Adeka, a city goes a hold almost Shadity Astan and Homane 4-1. It's a league no, Adom. Now, Alan, say the 33 goals and a watch and a Mo Salah and a guitar record set, yeah, bosses in Bakwashe goes to do a 32, Halan and Fadia Nusu, much 33 goals. I got 5 games near court. Chairman Edden or Bessan Shebia account, is it what GEPL and the boss goes or channel rough. So last night I saw HN City by a point, but a City outstanding game back and a 5 games of a San Bakao. Tama League, I had the pioneer. I know any other games bar so in the EPL. Lewandowski Shebako, where you are defeated Tosomi and San or season in Munati and on the course of the Vigo boy, 1-0 Taffy, Maria born 2-1. Now let's go Madrid, Yerikan, Acho, Omoche Mayoka, a bona coming and some Timo Bakunina, no, yeah, one expert to my catching a bit by this caron. At the Agu Botomo, now you may be more fina, Yan Sherry Koso in the Ghanaian Premier League and House of Oak, as I welcome Nano, Omolusu, Omasako Lusu, and Wadi Nano Dane, Tamale City, Eboma, Kanaya, Omotimo, back where Vienna Stars winning 2-0, or Ibiani Gold Stars, they go Cities 2, Accra Lions 0, where the match Sahodwa, a pass, so Yamungra Mujadi.
The pass, unfortunately. Beautiful cross into the 18-yard box, but went behind. Eduku goes round his marker, still has the opportunity. Eduku goes round pass 2, pass 3, and he scores!
This is magical, absolutely magnificent, imaginable. This is absolutely sumptuous. Brilliant skill from the top scorer for Tamale City. Samson Eduku picks up the ball here and just look at the skill. Went round Arani with cheeky ease, and then when confronted by Robert Sowa, he went past like a hot knife through butter.
Long ball forward once again. The flag stays down. Good enough for Tamale City. They are threatening into the 18-yard box. There's a slide push from behind. The referee has pointed to the spot.
Amazing football from Tamale City, and again it's Nephew with a lovely pass, and just when Sahadu got into the box, you don't need to make such tackles. Says it's a clear contact.
Can Tamale City make it 2? Will Nana save the day? Samson Eduku increases the goal tally. It's Tamale City 2, Hearts of Oak 0. And Accra Hearts of Oak are noted for getting back into the game. Pass through the middle into the 18-yard box. Player goes down.
Asakoto was picking a perfect ball.
Yes, Obing Jr. almost always looking for an opportunity to put the ball on that left foot of his. Linda just couldn't go around his marker. But Accra Hearts of Oak still have their noses in there. Befi gets in a decent cross, but it was held in check. Went into the tussle. But it's taken away easily by Tamale City's Ali Mohammed.
Yeah, it's brilliant. Lovely play.
Offside with that long pass. Goalkeeper comes out, plays the last man standing. Nearly gave the ball away. He's put Caleb under pressure. Tamale City!
This is
They are tearing Hearts of Oak apart.
being embarrassed here. He gets the ball away, but he's not picking a perfect ball. He picks a pass, it's a poor one, and Yaya will say thank you.
His line. Ali Mohammed, stumbling block. And they gift Hearts of Oak with a chance, an opportunity. Isaac. Fired from behind, and Accra Hearts of Oak pull 1 goal back from Victor Adom.
Have stopped playing. The Hearts of Oak were coming into the game. Again, Isaac Mensah with that sublime skill. He set it up for Adom, and Adom with a lovely finish. It's a brilliant finish from that angle. It's a bit difficult to beat Cisse, but he picked a spot. Brilliant play from Isaac Mensah to set it up for Adom. What a finish.
Game will continue as Tamale City look to come forward. Benjamin Anayabo had come off his line and clears with a header. Tamale City come forward. This looks good. Aban to Agama to the middle. Aban! Oh! And the advantage and the heat is on for Tamale City. Drilled into the 18-yard box. Oh! That is the icing on the cake. That is the icing on the cake.
Right, and so as a folk now welcomes and I can't name one more still I want you one tiase since I can't idea no den pa na dia ma table no so I something which is but I mean some far other results no can fight and be champion 0-0 obi am fa bo anto nyoko antem some test bon so chairman by 2 goals to now Brekum Chelsea and Kotokuru as we 2-1 and I'm Dima winning 3-2 over Dream Steps Lagos Cities about Accra Lions come you know 1 month to me until Adriana winning 2-0 over Bibiani Gold Stars as a folk and I will share 4-1 and one more elusive see table Adriana Stars and a lead our 50 points and Bidiema our 47 and I finish so no Bechem United Tosso Miasa our 45 and Brekum Chelsea Tosso and 9 our 43 and I got Tosso Num 42 and as a folk Tosso Nsia 42 and I got Kobebo nti ebe se ne koro game no so ebesi akọ se be yomo dana no mbeda na se ne ebesi akọ and Great Olympics ne kotoko and the boni else go penalty you and Kerala United and so at the apem so now has book maybe I talk they say there mo coach na ohwechiri Enoch Jordan Daite or physical trainer and he show Okuru red card 19 on the bench ninsamni.
Thank God for giving us the strength to even partake in the game. What we planned wasn't what we got, so we will go back home, then we fix whatever that we've lost today.
You are the man in the saddle. What really accounted for this performance? What will you blame?
I can say anything.
You've lost the game. 8-point gap between where you are on the league log and the team at the top. Do you feel your season is over in terms of getting the trophy?
The game still goes on. We don't know what may happen at the later part of the season. We just keep our focus, we concentrate. Whatever will be as an error that we weren't able to adapt to, we'll go back home to fix all those errors.
Right, I know, the chairman actually Enoch Jordan Daite, physical trainer at the Master Focus to now Hamza Mohammed, so a coach at the Tamale City.
Just work in progress. Looking at where we are, there was nothing we could do than to take these 3 points. Knowing very well that we have another important match on Sunday. Tactics worked for us. We plan getting the early goals, which worked perfectly for us. It's business as usual. I'll tap up the good things from here and prepare for Sunday.
What has really worked for your team?
As I've been saying.
Right, meno ne the course so has for game in the Olympics ne metema de na so be kwakọ wi nyina so na na no pay fancy oneexpect.com no kan one pay me den some na de bro be betia oneexpect.com GFast mixture and mo gina na so ba ana bema na fin so no setimo gel and roll on so okọ drugstore wa also per setimo gel and roll on na wa you go see something obehu bibi and I manya ntie se mo abie mu puha mo hwe yen Holy Family Hospital e won kokọ Dr. Entry fantastic morning come Dr. Entry Holy Family Hospital en kokọ no pay ye chia opa na ade Sergio Manocho bena pari botwe me producers kai sa wo de nankasa beka kejuwa ne ho Erica Sedu body ne ko so ha bedwam